guys, Angel back here, and today we're gonna be testing out this launcher, ToolBox launcher, and it's really awesome, and it's like a little
and
glitch.
It's funny too.
Yeah, it's really funny. You can go like fast mode. So we're back with Evelyn again, once again. So
Why isn't it just working?
I don't know. Okay, look at this, guys. I can go really fast. Hold up. No. Look at this, guys. Yeah, I can go really fast. Wait, let me just show you it because you don't believe me. Okay, look at this, guys. You ready? This is gonna go. Pew! Look at this. Yeah, I'm going fast. Evelyn, where are you?
I'm right here.
Wait, first wait. Awesome, so you can search up things, and we can teleport people to other stuff of ours. So let me see if I can teleport you to me. X-ray. Ooh, that's good. I can't, but I mean I could put the word spot here. Hold up. What is this? Where can I? Is it here? Okay, Evelyn, I'll just exit out the world and then join back, so you can.
I can't.
Where are you?
I'm right here.
I know, me too.
I'm in the east.
In the east.
East or south? I don't know.
You're probably in the east and west. So you're gonna go right. This is really cool that you have a nice map.
I'm where a skeleton is staring at me.
Staring at you?
Yeah.
There's a skeleton here, but I don't see you.
Well, there's a skeleton right here.
I don't see you. Look, see skeleton. There's a heck lot of skeletons. Yes, Enderman.
Is where a
I don't see you. No, let's go to another world so we can see each other. So basically, what is launcher is actually an awesome thing where changes like you can add mods and it can change your menu. Okay, why did my game froze? Why is my game froze? Can it work now? Can it work? Why is my tablet glitching?
Yeah, mine ain't. You're taking.
I was just playing the Wii U with his friends. Best friends.
Yeah, and they talk too much.
You still really talk too much. Come on. Okay, there's been a glitch.
Okay, come on, because I can't stay here alone.
Oh, now I can. Okay, then.
Finally.
Yay.
Oh.
Okay. No, Oh my freaking! Oh my freaking gosh, guys! What the heck? Am I still recording right now? Yeah, still recording. Okay.
Why does it say that? It's not even raining.
Okay, let's go to ToolBox launcher. So you can go ahead and download that app. It's cool. It's ToolBox from Minecraft PE. Alright, so we're gonna go to another one. Alright, so let's go to Gel Angel. It's just basically, I was just making a redstone gel. You know, I'm gonna set it day. Yeah, I'm gonna set it day, guys. So let's go ahead, go to the M, go to those pickaxe, and just go all the way down and go to time, and go all the way to the second one. Let's see, Evelyn, get up.
I ain't destroying it. I just fell on this hill for no reason.
Okay.
But I'm gonna try this.
Okay, so. Okay, you wanna race? Yeah. Wait. We're not running fast. Wait, where are you? Don't go. Evelyn, don't go. Yes, just stay there. Okay, I see you. Alright, just go to end. Wait, let me set it. Okay, you wanna go really fast? Let's do this, dude. You ready? You can go fast now, Evelyn. You ready? Woo! Can you go fast?
Yeah.
Wait. Let me see if I can do it to you. Or you have to do it, basically. Let's see, player speed and the game speed. Now, can you go? Can you go fast?
Let me
Wow. Hold up. Look. Here it is. Yeah. No.
Get out of here. You can be such a good You go to the basement.
Dang it. Always speed. Game speed. Oh man, I think that's all right. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, where are you? So basically, Evelyn, where are you? I lost you. Oh, there you are. You're going too fast. You're making me dizzy.
Where are you, Angel?
I don't know.
How are you?
Okay, so we're gonna end the video here, guys. If you like, go ahead and like and
Wait, you're
subscribe.
right there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, no,
Thank you
that's
for watching Bros Gaming.
Angel,
Hey, guys.
we're home.
Guys, later. I hope you like this my new intro and outro of Bros Gaming. So yeah, guys. See you later. Goodbye.